Changing an airplane tire is nothing like changing a car tire. You won't believe this process. First, to check the tire's condition, a coin is inserted into the tire tread. If the groove doesn't reach halfway up the coin, it means the tire needs replacement. Then, new tires are brought from the warehouse, and the aircraft is lifted using a hydraulic jack. Once the wheel is off the ground, the nut cover is removed, and then the center locking wheel nut is loosened with a special tool. After this, the old tire is removed using a lifting cart, and the new tire is carefully placed onto the axle. Finally, the nut is tightened, and the cover is put back on.